So you're a real do-it-yourselfer and want to power wash your house or maybe the whole block once you use our professional cleaning soap. Well, before you get started, there are a few tricks of the trade we'd like to share with you. First, evaluate your project and make sure you have a sturdy ladder to reach higher areas. Second, be sure your pressure washer is up to the task, the correct PSI, and in good working order. Finally, and the most important, is to use the soap professionals use to clean houses. Our commercial-grade, environmentally safe soap, available at ilovethissoap.com, liquefies dirt on vinyl and aluminum siding, properly preparing the surface for power washing. The baked-on dirt, mold, and oxidation can easily be removed only minutes after applying our soap. Order the kit that suits you best at ilovethissoap.com. 3 are available. The 1-gallon concentrate that you mix with 4 gallons of water in your bucket. 1 gallon of concentrate in our Precision Power Wash measuring bucket. And the Ultimate kit that includes 2 gallons of concentrate, enough to clean 2 average size houses. The Precision Power Wash measuring bucket and our Deluxe Precision Power Wash pressure sprayer, capable of dispensing the diluted soap up to 20 feet away. All kits come with work gloves, step-by-step instructions, and our satisfaction guarantee. Once you receive your house cleaning kit, there are a few tools you'll need to gather before you start. At least a 6-foot ladder, 50-foot garden hose, and a minimum 1500 psi power washer. We also recommend using an extension for your power washer wand, available at most home centers. That's it if you've purchased our Deluxe Home Cleaning Kit. If you haven't, you'll need a 5-gallon mixing bucket and sprayer. Mix 1 gallon of our Precision Power Wash concentrated soap with 4 gallons of cold water in the Precision Power Wash measuring bucket. This mixture will yield 5 gallons of soap, enough to clean 1 average size house. Pour the diluted mixture into the Precision Power Wash sprayer. Pump up the pressure and adjust the sprayer nozzle as needed. Work in sections, applying the soap to areas of about 10 by 10 feet. Do not allow the soap to dry and begin power washing as soon as the section has been coated with the soap. Power wash from the bottom up if possible. This way, the runoff water will not wash away the soap below. Use even strokes, keeping the wand's nozzle a uniform distance from the house. Consult your power washer's owner's manual for detailed information. Once the power washing cycle is complete, you should conclude with a thorough rinsing of the area. Inspect the house, looking for sections missed during washing. Badly stained areas may need another application of soap, followed by power washing, then rinsing. Now, step back and admire your freshly cleaned home. Don't forget to clean up your tools and go to ilovethissoap.com to place an order for another cleaning kit, so you're ready to clean your house next season. By the way, when you place your soap order, be sure to order some of our logoed work apparel, so you'll not only clean like a pro, but you'll look like one too. Precision Power Wash, helping you clean your environment.